Dude, what are you doing? Stop that.
What's up?
This is the worst squat I've ever seen. Guys, let me tell you about what the most important functional movement you'll ever do is supposed to look like. Bend your knees, squat down. Shins forward, chest, there you go. This is perfect. Why do you need this? Stand up. You need this to A, sit down on the toilet when you're older so you don't break your hip and end up in nursing home, and you also need this for picking up this bottle of water, for picking up a ball, weight, or your kid. So Nolan, break down the squat for us.
Squat is a fundamental movement pattern you do hundreds of times a day without even realizing it. So great alignment we're looking for in a squat. So from the side, we want to see the spine and the shins parallel. Okay.
Am I doing it?
So when you squat, so you're going to chest forward a little bit more.
Move behind me.
Get lower there.
Ooh.
So we can see. Okay, so we're looking for a nice alignment between the spine and the shins. Ideally, we can get the thighs below parallel as well. Depending on your body and what restrictions you may or may not have, you might not be able to get the thighs parallel, but we can still try to get in that direction. So when we flip it around, we look from the other angle, from the front in the coronal plane, what you want to see is your shins stay parallel there as well. So you don't want to see the knees crashing on in, because that puts a lot of pressure on the insides of the knees, can cause you pain. Sometimes in the clinic, all we do is fix a person's knee valgus pattern like that, and their knee pain just goes away. So stay tuned for the following videos. We're going to do a few more talking about the squat and the restrictions that might be there, and we'll go from head to toe.
And toe to head.
Toe to head, looking at everything and telling you guys how to fix your squat if you need to. See you soon.